Okay, so these are additional examples to help you with IP 15.6 and 15.7. Sorry, these were not included in the original video, but here it is what you're looking at. When you see x up in the exponent, you're going to have to take the logarithm to get it out. So if I take the logarithm of this, whatever I do on the left, I have to do on the right. Then I can employ the power rule, move that 3x in the front, log of 360. Now my goal is to get rid of everything but the x on the left, so I'm going to divide by the 3 times the log of 8 and 3 times the log of 8 on the right. So that will leave me with x equals, now I want to make sure to type this in my calculator very carefully, log of 360, enter, and then I'm going to do 3 times the log of 8. And I'm going to divide them. And what I do, I get 0.94. We're going to just round to 2 decimal places. So there's that answer. Let's try another one like this. Again, my variable is up in the exponent, so I'm going to need to take the logarithm of both sides. So the logarithm of 5 equals the logarithm of 0.2. Moving the power in the front looks like that, right? So first thing I want to do is divide by the log of 5. So I have negative t over 2 equals whatever my calculator says. So 0.2 log of 0.2. So make sure when your calculator is going to open a parenthesis, make sure to close it before you hit divide. And then I have a long decimal in my calculator. Actually, I don't. It just comes out to be negative 1. So now to get t by itself, I'm going to need to multiply by a negative 2. So that means t equals 2. All right, let's look at the next one. Again, x is up in the exponent. Notice the base here is an e, so that's going to make us use the natural log. So I'm going to take, before I take the logarithm though, I want to isolate this, whatever's being raised to the exponent. So I'm going to divide the 250, and I'll have e to the 0.02x equals, and this comes out to 40. Now I'm going to take the natural log of e and move this to the front. Take the natural log of 40. Now the natural log of e is basically saying e to what power is e? Well, that would mean it's 1, right? So it cancels out. 0.02x equals the natural log of 40. So I'm going to divide by 0.02. So x will equal 184.44. All right, last little example. X again is up in the exponent. We got a lot of things going on. We got something being multiplied and subtracted. So I'm going to move this over first. Move that over. I'm going to add 13. So this is 113. Now before I do any logarithm stuff, I'm going to isolate what's being raised to the power. So 2 to the 3 minus x power equals whatever 113 over 5 is. Now, I need to take the logarithms to get rid of the exponent. So it's going to be 3 minus x log of 2 equals the log of 113 over 5. Now, I'm going to take it in steps. 3 minus x, keep it together in parentheses. So the first thing I'm going to do is divide by the log of 2. So when I do this in my calculator, I'm going to do log of 113 divided by 5 in parentheses divided by log of 2. And I have some decimal in my, it's like 4.498, on and on and on. Leave all those decimals in there for now. Now I'm going to subtract 3. So negative x equals 1.498 something, something, something. So to make it x positive, it's going to be negative 1.50 when I round it. All right, that's my answer. I hope this helps you understand your steps, and I will see you in class.